Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over some of the presser foot that I commonly use. So this is the universal foot which comes with every machine. I use this for a straight stitch or a zigzag. I think there are other decorative stitches that can be used along with this foot. And then the next is a zipper foot. So this foot is used to attach zipper, say to a bag or a pouch or a skirt or a dress. Then the next is a rolled hem or picot foot. So with this, we can achieve two different looks. So one is the narrow hem if you use a straight stitch with that foot. And then if you use a zigzag, this will be called a picot. Both of these are achieved with the same foot. There are other foot that come with the machine, but these are the most common ones that I use. And with those other foot, you can set different stitches and use for those particular foot. All right, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.